Make sure you read these guides before planning to open a pet food business. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and please click the bell button to be notified anytime I drop a new video. How to start a pet food business. Plan your business. You can have the pet food ideas they sell in the store to prepare your own pet homemade food for dogs. So if you are good in what you're doing, you will have a lot of customers that will help you to succeed in the market. 2. The cost involved in opening a pet food business is not too much. You can start with a little upfront capital. You will only need a licensing fee, and other investments will be the raw materials. You can find some wholesaler who can offer you all the materials with a little money and then pay later. 3. Who is the target market? Make the best food for their pets and think of the nutrition so that the customers that will come to you can buy from you even if the amount is high-end food. 4. How much can you charge your customers? A cheap made food can cost 100, while a high nutritional meal can cost more. So make sure you prepare a chart containing all the charges for the different foods. 5. Once you set up your pet food business, make sure you find the perfect name for it. The name that is creative, that will speak for your brand. 6. Make sure to find a convenient location and a spot that has good visibility and high traffic. 7. Try to make your store as fun as possible by organizing fun events so that pet owners can visit them from time to time. 8. If you want to stay long in the business, you must build a great relationship with your customers, such as buying 3 bags from you, then you give them the 4th one for free. Once you set up your pet food business, make sure you promote your brand online marketing. You can as well ask your customers to help you spread your card. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.